Anything in 3 is not the smartest.
All right, let's go to the assignment. What's the scatter plot? What did you guys write down in the scatter plot? What did you guys put down there? 2 to 3 sentence response. Anybody get me started?
It's a data table.
Data table. Okay, so what do we do with that data table?
It tells you information by comparing two different things over time, usually.
Okay, so then why the scatter plot?
So it shows like the different corresponding points.
Okay, so like between two quantities. The one that we just did with the personalities one,
Yeah.
what were the two quantities that we talked about? What was the X? Estimated and actual real age, right?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So let's go through this one real quick. Do you guys remember what you wrote down for this one?
No.
It was 5 grams of fat. How many calories did 5 grams of fat have? I think I saw the majority of you guys had the right answer. There was a few of you who did not. So I'm curious. Somebody answer this for me. 5 grams, was it 800, 1,000, 350, or 425? So I'm hearing 425, 425. Anybody else have something different?
I was really confused with that question
Why?
because it was like 5 grams and there's like nothing.
Okay, so there's not a point there, right? So what if we magically put one there? Where would it land? Up here?
No.
Does it follow that trend? No. Down here?
No.
No. So maybe somewhere right here. Now I'm going to move this thing and kind of see where do you think this goes. So, yeah, maybe. What about up here?
Maybe.
Possibly. So there's your 400. Those you guys said 425 would probably land about right there. Does that follow the trend?
No.
Pretend like there's a line of best fit there. We hadn't talked about line of best fit until a couple days ago. So maybe 425 is a little high. We definitely knew 800. Nobody chose 800, so thank you for that. Right? That would have been way out up there. That would have been considered an outlier. It does not follow that trend. So somebody convince me why 350 is the most appropriate answer for this. Anybody?
The less that you have, the less calories.
Okay, so the less fat you have, the less calories you have. And that trend right there shows just that. What type of trend is that? Or which type, I guess I'll use the word correlation. Positive linear, right? Or we talked about linear as well, positive linear. So yeah, if you actually had that line of best fit, that's pretty good. Right? Roughly at about 350, 325, give or take. Well done. Number 4. About how many grams are there in a sandwich that contains 675 calories? So look in here, how'd you guys approach this problem? What does that mean? What are you doing there?
Looking for 675.
Beautiful. So looking over on the y-axis, the calories, 675 is right there. So now what'd you do?
Follow the trend to the end.
Okay, so how far? Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, so you're saying about right there?
Yeah.
That's pretty darn good. Okay, so approximately anywhere between 35 and 40, roughly. I would actually be okay if you guys maybe extended it here a little bit. No, outlier. What about over here? Outlier, and it's off the graph. So I think most appropriate would be right here. I believe actually everybody in this class answered that one right. So well done. This was 38 grams of fat. Okay. Well done. What type of trend do we see here? What type of correlation do we see here?
Negative linear relationship.
Negative linear. Okay. So sum it up in the context of this question. What is this scatter plot saying?
That the more recent the year, the less number of vehicles sold.
More recent the year, the less.
SUVs sold.
More recent years, less. So yeah, negative. As the years go on, they're selling less and less cars. You guys did pretty good on that. Number 5, in what year were 1,000 SUVs sold? So we're doing this thing again, right?
2011.
2011. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Relationship there?
Positive.
Positive linear. Beautiful. Overall, you guys did very well on this. Where's the outlier there in 11?
50-10.
Awesome. Okay. Go ahead, sign in. It's Big Ideas Math. You guys are working in your table groups on that assignment. You may work individually if you choose.
Right, what's that?